Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off our assistant menu button in Samsung Galaxy S22. As you can see, we have this floating button right here. And let's say we want to turn it off. How to do it? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options menu, then interaction and dexterity, and here we have our option. So what this button do exactly? What this button does is show a menu to easy to reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gestures and other common interactions. As you can see here, a few examples. We can customize this, of course, but if you want to turn it off, we simply turn it off, confirm, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.